The 2007 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, automatic transmission, front air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, keyless entry, front wheel drive, clock. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.